Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to switch back to a personal account on Instagram. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So, first we need to go to Instagram. After that, go to our account. Click on Settings button, scroll down and click Creator Tools and Controls. Scroll down a little and click Switch Account Type. And after that, click Switch to Personal Account. Click on Switch to Personal Account again. And that's all. This is very easy way to do. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your likes, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.